DKB Bank is an authentic German bank with a physical presence, and it stands out as one of the few banks globally that extends its services to a majority of countries worldwide, notably including Arab nations. Furthermore, this service allows you to obtain a German bank account, along with a MasterCard that will be delivered free of charge directly to your doorstep. This is accomplished by opening an account with the bank and subsequently activating it by providing the required documents, such as your passport and a proof of residency document. Once your account is activated, DKB will send you a complimentary card. You can then load funds onto this card and enjoy its various benefits, including online shopping, linking it with PayPal, and conducting online payments for services such as hotel bookings, flight reservations, and many other online transactions. In this video, we will learn how to register for DKB Bank and what the most important advantages and disadvantages related to this bank are. First, access the DKB Bank website. Then, input your personal details such as your full name, your email address, your mobile phone number, and your age. It's important that you are of legal age. Then, click on Submit Application. Please enter your date of birth, address, nationality, birthplace, employment information, and your monthly or annual income. Keep in mind that DKB will ask for a Schufa document, or what is known as a credit clearance. Now, you can also add another individual to the account, establishing what is known as a joint account. Agree to the terms, the data submission and usage, and to receive promotional information. Now you must complete Web ID identity verification via the app or your browser. After selecting the document, you are required to take a selfie while holding the document, and then your account will proceed to be processed. This process might take a few business days. Subsequently, you will receive an email notification upon the approval of your application. After a few days, you will receive 3 letters containing your registration data, account information, username, and password. Now, you can simply use your provided username and password to log into the DKB app. Next, you must verify your mobile phone number using an SMS message. You'll need to set an app PIN to unlock the application and create a strong password for your account, so be sure to keep it in a safe place. You can also install the DKB Tan2Go app, which is an additional app that allows you to log in and conduct all your transactions. If you do not utilize a smartphone, you have the option to use the website. It is necessary to update the application to ensure its proper functionality. You need to create a PIN for the card, and then you confirm all the details. Now the card is activated, and you can use it with your personal identification number as usual, just like any other card or for online purchases. You can manage your account by logging in via your browser. Click on the blue button located in the upper right corner. From the left-hand menu, select the very first option, which is Support. Here, you will find your current bank account, including your IBAN and the current balance. By selecting the second option, you'll gain access to your transaction history. You have the flexibility to define specific days or a particular time frame to view your past transactions within that period. For every transaction, you can view its specific date, whether it was a credit or a debit, its intended purpose, and the account from which you received funds or through which you sent money. From the third option in the left-hand menu, you can proceed to directly input the necessary information for a bank transfer or various bank transfers. Simply select your account and then enter the recipient's information. You can simply locate an IBAN if it has been previously utilized by you. In the final step, specify the amount and the purpose of the transfer. You can also set up automatic monthly recurring transfers, such as for rent payments. From the menu, you can also see all scheduled transfers as well as view and manage standing orders. Additionally, you can establish a savings account with DKB, where a specified amount is automatically transferred to your savings account monthly, for example. You can also add funds to a partner card to use in stores. Many services are on the menu, like loans, financing, business accounts, or DKB sustainability. Within the DKB app, we can also manage transactions and accounts, as well as initiate transfers. In addition, you have the ability to manage your cards, determine their functions, or, for example, temporarily block them if they are lost, and also change the app password through your profile and the help section. Additionally, You have the option to apply for a suitable Visa credit card at a monthly charge. This credit card comes with a cost of €2.49 each month, and it allows you to withdraw cash globally completely free of charge from any ATM that prominently displays the Visa logo. However, some ATM operators might impose a service charge. Moreover, you can utilize the credit card through Google Pay and Apple Pay, making it suitable for booking hotels and flights, assisting family and friends, and for online shopping. The maximum limit of your credit card is dependent on the activities of your checking account. Funds can always be transferred from your checking account to the credit card to settle any outstanding debts. The credit card statement is consistently issued on the 22nd day of each month. Moreover, the credit card is practical for obtaining small short-term loans. Standard loans and financing can also be arranged. And with the help of customer support, you can either apply for a new loan or choose to reschedule an existing one from another bank.